Good morning. Good morning, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. See, we are discussing trigonometry chapter, right? So today we have to discuss the last exercise, that is last question, fifth question. But in the fifth question again 10 sub questions are there. So we have to finish that work so that we can say that today we can finish the trigonometry topic, right? Introduction to introduction to trigonometry topic. Okay, so I think many of the students, you have tried to work out that fifth question, right? In the fifth main, so total 10 problems are there. So how many of you solved that 10 problems? Raise your hands. At least Mataji, we tried minimum 7 or 6 problems. We have got the answer for. Okay, how many of you got 10 out of 10 problems? Fast answers. Yes, fast. Raise your hands. Okay, no one is there. Okay, next 9. Mataji, we have finished 9 problems out of 10. No one is there. Okay, at least 8 problems. 8. 7. 7 also is not there. 6. Mataji, we finished 6 problems. No. 5. 5. 4. 4. 3. See, is it audible, students? I think you are not getting the question. 2. 1. So no one tried to solve. 1. Siri solved only 1 problem. Siri. Hello, Siri. 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 Out of 10 problem, how much is over? Siri. Shriyarsha. Siri finished 1 problem. Okay, Shriyarsha. How many problems over, Shriyarsha?
Jivan,
Only
others
one.
confused and messages some other answer have got.
Okay, Pannaga, your answer is also 1. Pannaga. Hello, Pannaga. Pannaga. Yes, Mataji. All are solved. Which is that? Which great question you all solved? ಯಾವ question ಅದು? Question number? Siri, what is the number? 8. You have solved 8th problem. Okay, 8th problem is very easy then. Oh, 8th problem, it is related to algebraic identities, applying a plus b whole square formula, so that easily you have got the answer. Right now, yes, it's okay, no problem. We'll discuss all the questions today. Okay, yes. Okay, only 3 to 4 students, they have attempted to solve the problems. What about the others? So, can I get Prajwal, please? Prajwal is there? So, where is Prajwal? Hello, Prajwal. Prajwal is not there. 1 second. Let us call. Let us continue the class now. So, we have to discuss the 5th main question. So, in the last class, we have finished. So, up to 4th main, no? In the exercise, 4th exercise. So, we have finished up to 4 problems. Okay. So, that 4th problem is multiple choice question. So, we have got the idea of that 4th problem, no? So, today we have to discuss the 5th problem. See, 5th problem main heading is prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. Okay. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. So in the 5th main, you can observe everything is prove that, LHS. We have to start the problem with the LHS and we have to match that LHS to RHS. Prove that type of problems only. Okay, so we'll start with the 5th main first question. See, this 5th main first, second question are simple. First 5 problems I have worked out on notebook. So that pages I'll share. Then last 5 problems will work out on the board. So if you need explanation on the board for these problems also you can ask, but it takes too much time, so that we may take one more period for that. That's why I have planned to do 5 problems in the sharing part and 5 problems on the board work. Is that clear? Okay. So now let us discuss the first question of the 5th May. What is that first question of the 5th May? See, 1 second. See here. So we have the question here. What is the question? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. See, this is the LHS part. LHS part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is there, which is equal to RHS we need 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to start the problem with the LHS. Okay, what is there in the LHS? LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So which is equal to, next step. So we are going to write this cosec theta in the form of 1 by sin theta. Okay, we have to express this cosec in form of sine, that is 1 by sin theta minus cot theta, we can write it as cos theta by sin theta. So whole square is whole square only, same. Next, see here, subtraction, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Denominator is same in the sense sin theta only. So then in the numerator, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So now, whole square in the sense, we have to apply the square for both numerator and denominator. Let us apply the square for both numerator and denominator. Then it becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Got the idea of this step? 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Next, let us keep this 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is for this step. Next, sin square theta. Are you observing sin square theta? So we know one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta value is, then what happens? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta now. Can I substitute this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, students? Yes, we can substitute this one, 1 minus cos square theta. See, now you just observe numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by denominator 1 minus cos square theta, somehow matching. Okay, so which is equal to, next, 1 minus cos theta whole square. Don't apply the identity a minus b whole square. Okay, 1 minus cos theta whole square in the sense 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, now 2 times same expression, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by here 1 minus cos square theta. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Here 1 square is 1 only. 1 square minus cos square theta, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now you just observe 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta get cancelled from both the numerator and denominator. What is the remaining term? 1 minus cos theta in the numerator and divided by 1 plus cos theta in the denominator. Actually, just observe the RHS part. Okay, RHS is this one only. 1 second. Yes, RHS is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta only. See, you can ask the question, Mataji, how can we identify in this way only? We have to work out the problem. See, by solving the problems, you will get the idea. Okay, see here, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We need the answer in the form of 1 minus cos form we need. So, cosec we can write it as sine, 1 by sine. Cos by sine. See here, next just subtraction. Then 1 minus cos theta whole square sin square theta. Here we can use one identity, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Now if you substitute the identity here, you will not get this expression. So you have to think on that time. 1 minus cos theta whole square in the sense 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Here we used the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So which is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. I think now you have got the idea of this problem, no? So you have to practice this type of problem. After practicing many problem, you can able to solve these type of problems. Okay. After this class, so today evening, I'll send many problems to work out for you. You can work out that one. Is that clear? Okay, first let us finish the exercise part. Whatever present in the textbook, we have to give justice for that. Okay. Then we'll work out the next extra questions related to trigonometry chapter. So now first question explanation part is over. I think clear for everyone. It is clear. So let us move on to the second question. See here, we have the second question. See, second question is little bit big but not difficult. So I have worked out each and every step so that it takes too much pages. Okay. So first step, let us see. Let us see this side first. Then we'll continue this side. Okay. Second question is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Okay. So 1 second, students. Is this question only? Okay, we are discussing third question. Sorry. Wait. Second question. Yes, this is the second question. Huh? This is the second question. Second question is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, which is equal to 2 secant A. Is that clear? The question is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, which is equal to 2 secant A we need. First we have to start with LHS. First you have to write LHS. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Same LHS we started. Okay, now we have to take what we have to take here. 2 sec A we need. Secant A relationship we need. So don't substitute cos relation, sin relationship and all. Let us start the problem with this only by taking the LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A. What is the LCM? 1 plus sin A into cos A, no? Then 1 plus sin A into cos A is the LCM. What is the numerator here? Numerator is cos square A, no students, because here already 1 plus sin A is there. LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. So that cos A is pending. So we have to multiply that cos A here. That is cos A is already there. One more cos A in the sense cos square A. Plus here already in the denominator cos A is there. So our LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. This 1 plus sin A we have to multiply here. That is 1 plus sin A whole square. Is that clear this much? Okay. This is about the first step. Next, keep this cos square A as it is. Cos square A only. Plus.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, please admit Rashmi. She is waiting in the lobby.
Okay. 1 second. Akshay, oh, 9 participants. Akshay, what you are doing, man? She. Yes. Now, no one is waiting in the lobby, no? Yeah. Thank you, Soumya. Okay. Yes, we'll continue. See, we are discussing the second question. Fifth main second question, students. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. So, we have to start the problem with LHS. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. So then just by taking the LHS we have to add these two. So 1 plus sin A into cos A is the LHS. Then here cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. So in the next step keep this cos square A as it is plus 1 plus sin A whole square. What is the value of 1 plus sin A whole square? Here we have to use the identity. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what is that? A and B. A is 1. B is sin A whole square. Then A square is 1 only now. Plus 2AB. 2 into A value is 1 into B is sin A. So 2AB in the sense 2 sin A plus B square sin square A divided by this denominator is as it is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Next step. Cos square A sin square A in the same numerator. So can we write it one side? Let us take cos square A sin square A one side. Then this 1 plus 2 sin A another side. Divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now cos square A plus sin square A. What is the value? 1. We know the identity. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. plus, already here 1 is there, 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Then 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So now next step, here 2 plus 2 sin A. So from looking the numerator only you can identify the next step. Okay. So next step, 2 is common factor. Let us remove the 2 as common factor. Take the 2 as common factor. Then what is inside? 1 plus sin A. That divided by here 1 plus sin A into cos A is fixed from the beginning step. Okay, now you can observe. In the numerator 1 plus sin A, in the denominator also 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. What is remaining now? 2 divided by cos A. 2 by cos. 2 let us take separate. 1 by cos. What is the value of 1 by cos? Secant A. So therefore 2 separate ಇದೆ. 2 into 1 by cos A is 2 secant A. Yes, 2 sec A is the RHS. Got the idea of this problem, students? Very simple problem. Only one thing you have to notice while solving this problem. See here, just take the LCM of these two, then apply the next step. Okay, then only one identity you are using here, a plus b, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square here. Then after that applying a plus b whole square here, you can able to apply the trigonometric identity, that is cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Got the idea of this problem, students? Yes, 2 secant a is the RHS. This is the way of solving the problem. Okay, yes. Is that clear? Second problem? Yeah, second problem is clear. Now, let us move on to third question. Yeah, this is the third question. So, I told no, you can skip many steps. See, I have written very detailed. See here, 1 plus 1. Next step, 1 plus 1 is 2. Like that. Next to 2 as common factor. So detail ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, third problem. Okay, let us see the third question now. So what is that third problem? Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. See, this is cosec theta, okay? So this, I took the small notebook, that's why it happens. Okay, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, which is equal to what result we need actually? 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. 1 second, some students are waiting in the lobby. Okay. Okay, see again here also we have to take the problem with the LHS part only. Okay, but in this problem, in the textbook they have given one hint. You just observe that hint. Write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So they have given the hint. Write the expression. So in the form of sin theta and cos theta, they have given hint, no? Okay, so we'll use that hint. So let us start with the LHS part. LHS is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. This is the problem, LHS part. Now they have given the hint, express this in the form of sin theta and cos theta. Everyone know that tan theta is nothing but sin by cos, right? No? Yes, we'll write tan theta in the form of sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta, will write it as cos theta by sin theta, plus again cot theta in the form of cos theta by sin theta and divided by 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. This step everyone know, correct? No? This is the first step, expressing tan and cot in the form of cos and sin. So first step is clear. Now you just observe the second step, sin theta by cos theta as it is divided by, here we can simplify now, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. How can we write that one? So here 1 is there, 1 into sin theta, LCM is sin theta, then sin theta minus cos theta, plus here cos theta by sin theta as it is. Here 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is LCM, then cos theta minus sin theta. So this step also you all know. Second step you have got the idea now. Is there anyone Why these things are happening today? All are waiting in the lobby. Okay, yes. See, second step you have got the idea now. Now third step is very simple. Take the sin theta by cos theta as it is. Now apply the reciprocal concept. Sin theta by cos theta into this sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta becomes sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta reciprocal plus cos theta by sin theta into here also reciprocal concept cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Got the idea of this step, students? Yes. Now just multiplication of numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Here cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Plus here cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Then sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Yes. 1 second. Some students are speaking there. Hello. Shanvi. Shanvi.
Yes, Mataji.
You're speaking. Just turn your mic off. Okay. So now sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Up to this you have got the clear picture now, students. So next step, sin square theta as it is divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here you just observe we have plus sign here. In the very next step it is minus. Because here in the next step here you can observe cos theta minus sin theta. But in this bracket sin theta minus cos theta. So here we can convert this cos theta minus sin theta also in the form of sin theta minus cos theta by taking that minus outside. So then what happens here? Plus is there now. Here it comes minus. Then here sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta becomes sin theta minus cos theta. We took the minus factor outside. Is that clear, student? What is the difference in these two test steps? You have got the idea now. This is same actually for the next step also. Here we just modified something, that is here in the first bracket sin theta minus cos theta is there, but here cos theta minus sin theta is there. So we have to write this cos theta minus sin theta in the form of sin theta minus cos theta. That's why we took the minus factor outside. Then cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Got the idea of this step, no students? Yes. Now last two steps. So next what happens? See here. So what we have to do now? Sin square theta. So minus cos square theta here, minus cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here in this denominator sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now what we have to do? Just a subtraction method. So subtraction in the sense take the LCM. Okay. Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here in this denominator sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. See this sin theta minus cos theta and this sin theta minus cos theta is same, no? So what is the LCM now? Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Got the idea of this LCM step? See here, LCM is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This is the LCM. Now, if this is the LCM, what changes happened in the numerator we have to see. See here, cos theta minus cos theta. Then let us come to here only. See here, cos theta minus cos theta is LCM. Then here sin square theta is there. Already cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is there. Which is missing term in the LCM factor? Sin theta is missing. Then sin theta you have to multiply here. Then it becomes sin cube theta. Then here cos square theta is there. Here sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta is there. So here cos theta is missing. So you have to multiply that cos theta here in the numerator. Then cos square theta becomes cos cube theta. Is that clear, students? Therefore, here in the numerator, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by LCM is cos theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So next step, Here, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Are you observing one identity there? Yes, we are observing one identity. Which identity? A cube minus b cube. What is the expansion of a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here we use that identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Is that clear? Divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Got the idea of this step now, students? Yes. So now what is the result actually? How you got this one? See, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Are you observing this one here, students? Sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Can we cancel these two terms? Yes. This sin theta minus cos theta, here sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. What is inside here? Sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. In this bracket, we can apply one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta, as it is in the denominator, cos theta into sin theta is remaining. Now, so almost all answer we got 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So in the numerator we are observing the binomial term. No? So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta, it indicates that this 1 divided by this cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Let us make it separate. 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Then 1 by cos is secant theta, 1 by sin is cosec theta, plus here sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta get cancelled, 1. So the answer is 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. Hence we got the RHS. This is little bit different problem. See here we used a cube minus b cube formula. So you have to practice this type of problem. Okay, Sumit is waiting in the lobby. Okay, see students, got the idea of this problem now? Little bit big problem, not a big problem. This first step is clear, okay? Second step is also very easy. Then reciprocal step is also very easy. Then just multiplication to numerator into numerator, denominator to denominator. Then just converting this expression and this expression same, because to take LCM, okay? So that's why we have changed the sign here. Then we took the LCM and we applied the LCM method. Then here we got a cube minus b cube form. There we applied a cube minus b cube identity. Then here sin theta minus cot theta and sin theta minus cot theta, cos theta get cancelled. Remaining is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. When you reach this step, you have got the clear picture of this result. Okay, then you can get the idea. Okay, yes, we have reached it safely. Okay, so got the idea of this problem, no? Okay, just go through the solution. After the class, I'll send this solution. Okay, while again solve in rough 2 or 3 times, then work out in fair. Is that clear, students? So this is about the third question solution. Yes, we'll go to fourth one. So fourth question is, yeah, here we have fourth question. Fourth question is really simple question actually. So fourth question, let us read the fourth question first. 1 plus secant A divided by secant A, which is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. This is cos A, okay. In the beginning I took actually square. So afterwards I got the idea that this is 1 minus cos A, okay. 1 plus secant A divided by sec A, which is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. So they have given one hint in the fourth problem. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. If this type of hint is given in the sense, you cannot match LHS to RHS. First you have to solve LHS once, then RHS once. You can identify that LHS value and RHS value both are equal. Then you can say that these expressions are equal. Is that clear? So then what we have to do? LHS we have to work out separately. RHS we have to work out separately. So how to get the idea of this one? Because they have given the hint only. Okay, yes, with the hint, okay, we'll start with the LHS now. Very simple solution. 1 plus secant A divided by sec A. Okay, next step, 1 plus secant A. Can we write it in the form of 1 by cos A? Secant A is 1 by cos A now, divided by, again secant A is 1 by cos A. Here just add this by taking the LCM. Here always 1 is there. 1 plus cos A, 1 into cos A, in the sense cos A is the LCM here, cos A. Then cos A plus 1, this step you just observe. This is the first step actually. Then second step, 1 and cos A. Cos A is the LCM, then cos A plus 1, then 1 by cos A as it is. Now just apply the reciprocal concept. Cos A plus 1 by cos A into this 1 by cos A, which is converted as cos A by 1 after applying the reciprocal. Then this cos A and cos A get cancelled. Cos A plus 1 divided by 1 is remaining. Then cos A plus 1 is the LHS part. Further we cannot move. Okay. This is the final solution for the LHS. Let us keep this LHS as it is. In the LHS part we got cos A plus 1 as our answer. Now we have to see whether we'll get the RHS also. Cos A plus 1 we have to check. Okay. So that is in the next page. Here RHS. Now we took RHS. In the RHS, sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Sin square A. Sumit Chaudhary left the meeting. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಬರೋದು ಹೋಗೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, see, let us see the solution. RHS, sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. See here, sin square A, we know one identity, that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then sin square A is 1 minus cos square A, no? Then let us substitute sin square A as 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Then 1 minus cos square A. Here we can observe one identity, that is A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Then 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. See here, 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancelled. 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A is nothing but cos A plus 1. In the LHS part also we got cos A plus 1 only answer now. So then RHS part also cos A plus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is the very simplest problem. Is that clear, students? Yes. So now let us move on to the fifth question. Yeah, see here we have the fifth problem. See, what is this fifth question actually? So, cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, which is equal to cosec A plus cot A, we have to show. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, which is equal to cosec A plus cot A, we have to show. So they have given the hint that cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Using this concept, you can solve the problem. Okay. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A identity we have to use. So this is somewhat last example problem. So that day while solving the last example problem, 3 recording portions happened. No, that type of problem this one. Here cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So let us start the problem with LHS part. LHS is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So what we are doing trick is dividing each term by sin A. So here we are going to divide each term by sin A. So that we can use this identity. Cot form, cosec form and all we need. Cot to cosec, if we need cot cosec, for that what we need actually, see I got the meeting warning last 5 minutes. Let us finish this problem, then join with the same link, students. Okay. So then cos by sin cot, then sin by sin 1. 1 by sin is cosec, no? So that's why you have to think dividing each term by sin A. So now what happened next step? Cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So this is the simplest step, dividing each term by sin A. After dividing step, what result you will get? Cos by sin is cot. minus sine by sine is 1 plus 1 by sine A is cosec A divided by again cos A by sine A is cot A plus sine A by sine A is 1 minus 1 by sine A is cosec A. Now let us group these two terms one side, cot A plus cosec A one side. Let us keep this minus 1 this side. Then cot A plus minus cosec A one side. Then keep this one this side. Then now cot A plus cosec A let us keep as it is. Minus also we are keeping as it is. In place of 1, we are going to substitute this identity. In place of 1, if we take 1 here, what is the result? Here cosec square A is there. Let us transfer this to this side, minus cot square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Substitute that value. Cosec square A minus cot square A. In place of 1, we substituted cosec square A minus cot square A divided by. We are not going to change the denominator. We are fixing the denominator as cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Is that clear, students? Yes. Now, cot A plus cosec A minus of cosec square A minus cot square A. Here we are using one identity, that is A square minus B square. By looking the expression only, we can able to see that A square minus B square. Then, cot A plus cosec A, let us keep this minus as it is. Open the big bracket, then cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A plus B into A minus B. Let us close the big bracket. Divided by this denominator is as it is. Next step, very simple. See, cot A plus cosec A. Now what we have to do here? Cot A plus cosec A. Inside also cosec A plus cot A. Same to same expression. Now can we take cot A plus cosec A outside common factor? Yes. Now we have to take this one as common factor. Cot A plus cosec A common factor. Then what happens? In the first expression 1 is remaining minus. In the inside bracket cosec A minus cot A is remaining. See the expression. Here cot A plus cosec A. Here also cot A plus cosec A is common. Let us remove outside. Then here 1 is inside. Minus. Here 1 into cosec A minus cot A. Got the idea of this step? Okay. See here cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So this is about the next step. Denominator we are fixing same. Next, cot A plus cosec A as it is. Here 1. Let us remove this inside bracket by operating this minus sign. 1 minus into cosec A is minus cosec A. Minus into minus cot A is plus cot A. Divided by, we are fixing this one as same denominator. Now observe the numerator and denominator. See here 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Here also cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1. Minus cosec A minus cosec A. Plus cot A plus cot A. Same to same expression. Can we cancel that one from numerator and denominator? Yes. Strike out these two. Yes, these are same. Now what is remaining? Cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Same no? RHS. Hence we got the RHS. This is actually simple problem, students. Very simple. First one thing you have to notice that dividing each term by sign A. That's it. So that after that step, okay. So just in place of 1, we are using this identity. They have given the hint, no? So that identity. Then, so we are applying A square minus B square concept. Then we are taking this common factor outside. So then we'll get this solution. 1 second. See here, I think you have got the clear picture of this problem. This is a simple problem. So this is about the first 5 problems related to 5th main. Okay. So now already